Wait before you skip this, because I'm about to spill the tea on why the gelatin trick absolutely exploded on TikTok. It seems like just yesterday, people were scratching their heads, wondering what this gelatin trick was all about, and now it's everywhere. My friend, who's super into wellness, told me she stumbled upon it while scrolling through her For You page, and she was immediately hooked. She explained to me that the gelatin trick is all about incorporating this simple, daily ritual into your routine, using something as basic as gelatin, which you probably already have in your kitchen. As she delved deeper, she found that the gelatin trick wasn't just some fleeting trend, but rather a clever way to support your overall health and wellness. The more she learned, the more she realized why it resonated with so many. It's incredibly easy to do, and the ingredients are ridiculously affordable. Now, if you're curious about how to get started with the gelatin trick, or maybe you're looking for some creative ways to mix it up, I've got you covered. Check out the link in my description for a deep dive into the gelatin trick. And if you have any questions, or you'd like to share your own experience with the gelatin trick, head over to the pinned comment below, where we can chat all things gelatin trick.